Hello friends, I am Yuvraj from Green India Enviro and today I am here to tell you about the benefits of drinking RO water and the methods of purification which RO technology uses to purify the water. So first of all I am going to tell you about the benefits of drinking. So the benefits of drinking RO water are it has no bacteria, it is low in sodium, it controls our high blood pressure and it also removes lead from the water, which is very good for our health. So now coming on cooking, so it has more nutrients which the normal water takes, and it also gives better taste to the food. And through RO water you can make crystal clear ice cubes which stays cool for longer time. So that was the benefits of drinking and cooking through RO water. So now I am going to tell you about the methods of purification. So first of all, RO means reverse osmosis, and this reverse osmosis technology uses this membrane technology. This is membrane. So it uses this membrane which removes the larger iron particles from the water. So through this membrane the water gets clear. And now comes this activated carbon. This is activated carbon filter, and this carbon filter has chemicals absorption which reduces the contamination from the from the normal water and converts into a pure RO water. Another thing is ultraviolet disinfection. So through this is called an UV barrel, and in this barrel, this ultraviolet tube is inserted inside this barrel, and the water travels through this barrel. So through this ultraviolet disinfection, the bacteria of the water gets killed, and it is very good for our health. So, and other techniques are like sediment filters, which remove the fine and solid particles from the water. And one more technique which is recently added is this ion exchange. Ion exchange uses this resin material which is used for softening the hardness of the water, and it also helps in deionization. And some other things which you can add in your RO filters are like alkaline filter and mineral cartridge. About alkaline filter, I have given one live test in my previous video, and this is an alkaline cartridge which reduces the acidic content of the water. It increases the pH value of the water, and through this increase in pH value the acidic content gets neutralized. And one more thing is this mineral cartridge. Through this mineral cartridge some calcium content can be added in your RO water, which is also very good for your health. So this is all for today, and please subscribe Green India Enviro, and for any services contact Green India Enviro.